What other wonders are we expecting to see? A teacher has been slaughtered in the presence of the pupils. And we all are pretending as if everything is fine. Yeah, I just like the way we are all pretending. Now we are living our normal life. We woke up this morning, we took our children to school. We still took our children to school. And that is the point. Nobody's saying anything. We have seen it as normal. It's now normal. Me, I'm scared. I'm scared. As you're dancing on TikTok, the batchat in Jolo TikTok, all the boxing only anytime. I saw one video of a woman yesterday complaining in Lagos that some Fulani headsmen came to her house here in Lagos. Abi, what is the distance between Ogbomoso and Ibadan? What's the distance between Ibadan and okay? You think because now they have gotten to Ogbomoso, God, don't allow them come to Lagos. So what's the distance between Ogbomoso and Ibadan? Even though I don't Ogbomoso, kò tí dé Ìbàdàn. Ṣé kò tí dé Ìbàdàn, kò tí dé Èkó. And we are living our life. No state of emergency declared. We are not mourning. Nothing is happening. We're just living our normal life. People are at work currently. Some teachers are still at work currently. Not even some teachers. Teachers are teaching in classes as I'm speaking to you, waiting for their own day to come. Abi, okay, what other wonders are we waiting to see? Me, I don't know what to say. I think we should just, shut down every other activities going on online and focus on this thing because it's becoming too much. This is the height of it all. Do you know the kind of trauma those children have experienced? Do you know how long it will take them to forget? Will they ever forget? Their teacher being slaughtered in their presence. Will they ever forget? And nobody is saying anything. Nobody, nothing. Now, as we speak, our children are in school. That's my fear. It's becoming normal.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi, ṣe bó ti dojú ẹ̀ báyìí. Oríṣiríṣi hardship ló ń lọ Nàìjíríà. Wọ́n pààyàn kò ọkàn everybody ò balẹ̀. Nobody is at rest. Everybody àti lọ́bi iṣẹ́ gan-an. Òní tíjà tó lọ́bi iṣẹ́ tí ò padà wálé. Ọ̀rọ̀ tax reform wà ń bẹ̀. Oríṣiríṣi insecurity wà ń bẹ̀. Ebi wà ń bẹ̀. Gbogbo nǹkan wọ́n. Gbogbo nǹkan ò lọlẹ̀. Oríṣiríṣi ẹ wo bàbá Ayọ̀délé wọ́n ní kò sẹ́ni tó máa gbà yín lọ́wọ́ Nàìjíríà o pé ẹ̀yin lẹ máa gbára yín pé Ọlọ́run ti sọ pé àwọn ò lè save Nàìjíríà. God is not ready to remove Tinubu. It's Nigeria yourself that you will remove Tinubu, and if Tinubu is removed, many of his cabinet will be sentenced for life because gbogbo àwọn tó ń ṣèjọba yẹn wọ́n ní wọ́n máa sentence àwọn ẹlòmíì tó yẹ pé eléyìí ó máa lágbára gan. At the same time, this pastor is now saying Nigeria will come out strongly to Fulani. And he said Fulani will get tired. I don't know how they're going to get tired because this thing is becoming more harder. And he said very soon Nigeria will take laws into their own hand. Kò tí kawalara ni tó bá kawalara a máa kọjú sí ìjọba yẹn. Bóyá wọ́n ní Tinubu bóyá ó ń bẹ̀rù àwọn Fulani ni. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. This is CROSSBLOGXTV. Kẹ́yìn náà kẹjá jọgbọ́ Prophecy Prime Ayọ̀délé. Kẹ́yìn máa fòpinion yín sínú comment. Ẹ̀kẹ́ máa drop opinion yín. Ṣé ìgbé ayé tá à ń gbé Nàìjíríà yìí tó bá wa lára mu? Ṣé báyìí máa wò lélẹ̀? Bàbá yìí ti ní àwa la máa dìde o. Àwa la máa kọjú sí ìjọba Tinubu gbẹ̀yìn. Because tí ẹ bá rò pa máa fòdò wa, ó ti ń wọlé everybody, ó ti ń délẹ̀ Yorùbá, ó ti ń yàtọ̀ sí ọ̀rọ̀ insurgency. Ebi kan ti pa àwọn èèyàn ju kí insurgency wá pààyàn mọ́lé lọ. Kí Fúlàní tó pa ẹlòmíì sínú ilé ẹlòmíì ti kú kò lè jẹun àárọ̀ sún àtàlẹ́. Ṣé báyìí máa live lélẹ̀? Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. This is CROSSBLOGXTV. Let's listen to Prime Ayọ̀délé prophecy.
You know what? God will not help Nigeria to remove president. No. God said, I will not remove any president for you Nigerians.
Oh.
God said that your prayers will not be answered. God remove this man. God said he will not remove Tinubu. Oh God. Abẹ Ọlọ́run dé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Ọlọ́run ní yọ ó ní ẹ̀yin lẹ́ yọ fúnra yín Ọlọ́run ní gbàdúrà wọn. Ó gbọ́ ó ní títún bá tún wá mọ̀ òun bẹ̀ sọ pé kí gbìyànjú ẹ̀ sì ní rí yọ ṣùgbọ́n ṣé yóò mọ Ọlọ́run bẹ̀? Can Tinubu appeal to God for him not to be removed? Nigeria is angry. Nigeria is annoyed. Nigerians, they are ready, desperately ready to remove Tinubu out of office. bẹ̀tẹ̀ dìbà mú Nàìjíríà wọ́n lè má rí yọ o. Èdì àwọn tó lè má dùn jùlẹ̀ àwọn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n gbádùn ìjọba àwọn tó bá yọ wọ́n ṣẹ̀ wọ́n. Those that are benefit more will be the one people that will go to jail. If they mistakenly remove Tinubu, many people will go to jail in this government. Many governors will be sentenced for life. That's why you see that the governor will be sentenced for 200 years, 150 years. Oh boy. Nigerians will come out strongly to fight Fulani. They will get tired. When you attack them, they will attack you. Nigeria will take laws into their hands when the security people doesn't know what to do. Call it. It is going to be a battle. Fulani is a battle because the government is afraid of handling them appropriately. The government they are using sentiment in addressing this, and I guess Tinubu is afraid of Fulani, and Fulani is going to Fulanize him. You can't tell him like that. If don't act, Nigeria will act, because they are ready to destroy Tinubu's government and to destroy the unity of Nigeria. It's a message of the Lord. NDC in Ghana will embarrass MPP. They will be arresting them, intimidating them, and this will cause problems. Mama, be careful. By 2030, they will be free of carbon emission. Many things they will be doing. There won't be any carbon. 2030. Tank farm in Nigeria, let's pray that it will not get explode. All the tank farm operators, let them act on this. In DRC, Congo, the president will do everything to change the constitution to his own suit, and that one will not be allowed. No, it won't be allowed. The people will demonstrate, and because the president wants to become not life president, they want to go for third term and fourth term. In US, UK, France, Nigeria, I say plain collide. That is plain collusion is imminent. Forget, ADC cannot win Osun. NDC, ADC, no way. In Osun State, ADC, PDP, you can't win Ekiti. Leave Ekiti for APC. In the next 2 weeks, stock will slump. Stock. Both American stock and America will run to debt in the next 2 weeks as well. In Kwara State, the person they pick in Kwara State, they will not vote in. Mark my word, underline. In Adamawa State, mark it, underline, take it to anywhere. Galadima will not win. And if care is not taken, they will shock Fintiri, Senatorial. Any governor who said that don't worry, there is no problem. There is problem in Kaduna, Kanu, Sokoto, Yobe. It might be a battleground for APC. Battleground for APC. Don't say no. People are not happy with this government. That is the truth, and nothing but the truth. Gambia, you know what? I'm still saying it. Do anything you like. The ruling party, if you are not careful, if you don't change the strategy, the modalities, opposition will unseat you. And your president, Boro, must not go and take a step that will hinder his party, that will paralyze his party completely. Likewise, Zambia. The opposition there are not ready to remove the president. As a matter of fact, if there's election today, the present president will win. And nothing happens. Nothing. He will win. Zimbabwe, what I'm saying in your country is that bringing it the white farmers into your system. Not that it will not boost your economy, but it will enslave all the Zimbabwe people. Your economy will be in a coma. The beginning of the economy will be fine. Your president will forsake the economy and you will become a slave. And this president will continue to rule you till eternity. Underline my word. I talk as prophet, not as philosopher, not prediction. No, exactly what will happen. Maybe I told you, I said jam will change. I said it on Tuesday. It happens Thursday.
Yes, sir.
Abi?
Very well.
They change your guardian now. Yes. Likewise, WAEC. The way they will write WAEC will be changed. The name of WAEC, West African Examination Council, Abi, will change. That name will not be that name again. The modalities of writing it will also change. ASUU is about to go to strike. ASUU, they are planning to go to strike. Pengasin and Nupeng, they are also planning a protest. Don't protest, Joe. Tinubu will get angry with security officers. Tinubu will get angry. And mind you, it will change any of them at any time from now. Because he's angry. DSS will rescue Tinubu because there is documentation that will expose a lot about Tinubu's government. But DSS will get to the root of it. International community wanted to expose what Tinubu government is all about. Secret things is about to come out of this government. If you come out, it will ruin Tinubu second time. Don't allow it to. DSS, listen to DSS, so they will do something to cover Tinubu. We have to pray. Virus that we say shut down schools is coming on. The virus will start shut down schools. It's not Ebola. We're not talking about Ebola. The virus start from schools, shut down schools. Ministry of Health is a warning. Take it or you leave it. See, IT, another security support will come from another country, not from Kenya alone. And America will be the source of helping IT. And the IT government, the gangs, they have not get solution to them. Oh. They are like another Boko Haram in that territory. They will suppress that country to a extent that the elections they want to do in August, they will not do election. APC will start reconciliation. That reconciliation, people who stay in that party will now become enemy. They will be the one to allow enemy to enter. Tinubu don't say that opposition cannot win you. Opposition, Nigerians and opposition and international community are ready to fight Tinubu, stand still to remove him, except it takes a serious step to survive. American company will invest more on AI. And that will cause a lot of problems. Serious one. Very serious one. Republican and Democrats, they are going to cause problems within themselves. Likewise, in UK, the parliament there will be confusion. Absolute confusion. Total confusion. South Sudanese president should go and take care of his health. Your health can jeopardize you completely. Building collapse in Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja. No Oba is ready to fight for any Yoruba. Nobody is ready to go to war. Everybody go and defend your territory. Don't tell me that one Oba will come and say, oh yeah, let's go. They cannot, and nobody is ready to tell where Ẹgbẹ́kọ̀yà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lòun. Nobody, no Ẹgbẹ́kọ̀yà Yorùbá now. Be Ẹgbẹ́kọ̀yà of yourself. And let's stop deceiving ourselves. Everybody is looking for money. Oba is looking for money. Jagu is looking for money. Everybody is looking for money. So money will never allow anybody to defend anybody. And money will never allow anybody to say Otito, truth. Money will stop everybody from saying the truth. So don't say, hey, there's one person. Even your gate man cannot defend you. If your gate man see money, he will betray you. As a matter of fact, the point is clear that Obas that we have in Yoruba, they are sakadeli miliki Oba. Yes. They are to go to party. All of them. All they need now is social life. Spiritual life is dead. Yorubaland does not sound like Yoruba as before. Yoruba empire is dead. Shame to all the Obas. And àwọn jagunjagun ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, Obi and shame. So you should go and uphold yourself, prepare yourself, protect yourself. Don't wait for anybody. Churches, you know to read Psalm well, and surround yourself with prayers. Anything you know you can do to protect yourself, protect. To protect yourself, I'm telling you. You tell me that somebody is going to advocate for you. Nobody will advocate for you. You better go and look for a lawyer to advocate for you. Instead of saying, so person will advocate for me. That is that. Taxation, right? I see fraud in taxation. And taxation, people will vote against it. Because many taxation will become, many taxation. We have not seen the effective of that taxation. Taxation is coming. We have not seen the effect. It's coming big way. Just mark it and wait. The Wike candidate. Wike will be candidate in APC and PDP in Rivers State. The Rivers State, the man that is going to win, which is going to change now to his person. That person and Wike will not be best of friends though. That government is just 2.5 years that it will explode. And Wike needs prayers. Wike, pray for yourself.